Let's talk about how to make money online without having to have a big following. By the end of this video, you're going to know the 3 things that you need to grow even a 100K in 12-month business. I'm telling you, we get so caught up on thinking, I need to go viral or I need more views. In reality, you don't, because views don't equal customers. You need one offer to the right people. So let's go into the information. And by the way, back in 2022, when I discovered this strategy, it just made sense to me. So that is my goal. By the end of this video, it just makes sense to you. You have that breakthrough moment. Because I tried for years to make an income online in the network marketing space. And I traded time for dollars. I only could get customers if I was reaching out and finding them. And then when I would get a customer, I had to share my profits with the company and with the people above me. So I had to work twice as hard to make a little bit of money. When I discovered one offer and it's digital, that means I get to keep all the profits because it's digital. Here's the part I love. You ready for this? 6 customers a month equals $8,400 a month. So in 12 months, you've made 100K. So it's not the volume that you need to make good money online. It's the right customers that you need. First, 100K online, that's real money. And that is what I love. No longer will you have to settle for $12 for a customer or even $20 for a customer. The math just made sense. Now here's where it gets really, really good though. This is what I love. Then you have one system. See, again, it's not about the views, it's about the conversions. So if you have to be the one out there finding the customers and having to explain it over and over and over, hearing the word no, and actually literally trying to friend request people and find customers or slide into people's DM, you're trading time for dollars. You can only do so much of that a day. When you have a system, the system will be doing the work for you. And that is the part I love. But I was like, wait, hold on. I am not tech savvy, nor do I want to learn tech. I don't know about you, but I do not want to learn tech. So when I found out I can get a proven, done for me system, let me explain what proven means. Proven means it's already been out there working in the marketplace, which means it's already generating customers for other online business owners. So if it can work for them, it can work for me as well. So that made sense. Plus it gave you a little bit of certainty, right? Because you're like, okay, I just got to master this. And again, we're talking 6 customers a month. I want you to think about that. There's 5 billion people just on social media alone. And all you need is 6 to make 100K. If you can get good with this, then why don't the next year you go for 12 customers and make 200K? That's what I love. But here's the part that just made sense to me. The system, okay, matter of fact, it works for you 24/7. So you can be offline doing the things that you love and your automated system is constantly working for you 24/7. And that is the part that just made sense to me because in the digital world we live in today, there's automations, and there's tools and resources that can do the work for you. So I traded having to get on the phone with people. I literally traded direct messaging people, finding customers, to having the system that does all of the conversions for me. So my system would sort through people, sell to people. And I literally was able to be spending more time with my family. I'm a mom of 6 and I'm a grandma to 5, and time with my family is the most important thing to me. So if you want more time with your family and more freedom, you will absolutely love this. So step 1, one offer, you want it to be digital. 6 customers a month is 100K in 2026, and one system, now ready for this? One social media platform. Sometimes we think, oh my gosh, if I go everywhere, I will make more money. No, the reality is if you get really, really, really good on what platform, you don't need to be on every single platform. So back in 2022, I launched my business on TikTok. Now let me share with you why TikTok, and let me share with you why I'm on YouTube now. So I launched my business on TikTok because I thought it was the easy button, right? a few short form videos a day. Those are pretty easy to do. Plus TikTok was interest based. So it just made sense. So literally for the first almost a year and a half, I was super consistent only on TikTok. And I would post a little bit on YouTube. And then when I realized the amount of views my videos were getting on YouTube compared to TikTok, it just made sense to start creating more videos on YouTube. And then I take my long form videos on YouTube and I'm able to cut that down into shorts that I can put on TikTok. So I'm just repurposing my content to more than one platform. But let me share this with you because I want to back up to this. Here's the key component. This is where most people miss. It's not about you being on every single platform. It's about you understanding who your perfect customer is. So this is exactly what I did. I was like, who am I? I'm a mom. Who do I help? I help other moms, and I wanted to show other moms how they would never have to take a calculator to the grocery store again by sharing a proven system with them. Here's why this just works, because this is where your focus needs to be, mastering your message and your marketing on social media. You already have a proven system and you have a proven offer. And again, all you need to focus on is getting so good with that message to the right people. And all you need is 6 customers a month to make $100K in 2026. It just makes sense. So what I want to do for you, because you're still here, is I want to give you free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint that literally walks this down in more depth for you. Just go to dailypaybusiness.com, check it out. And if you have any questions, please email me. I would absolutely love to help you.